Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'd like to show you how to make a while loop in Python. All you need is a Python editor. In my example I have used two while loops. I start by setting a variable to 0. Then I make it so unless the variable equals 5 it keeps on repeating. Every time it repeats it prints the number and then adds 1 onto the number. When that is done it goes into a while loop that lasts forever that just prints hello. Now when you run it, there will be number 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then followed by a never ending amount of hellos. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I've also just recently started a Patreon for people who want to support the channel. Being a patron gives access to GitHub files for every upload from now, and more depending on what tier you get. Thank you for watching and bye.